Welcome students. I am Mr. Simanchal Panda going to start the class for cosmetics. Cosmetics is defined as any substance that is used to enhance the beauty of human body. It may either be appearance or odor of the human body. The general mixtures of chemical compound, some being derived from natural sources, many being synthetic. So these are the substances, those are used, sprinkled or rubbed on upper side of the body on the skin to enhance the beauty is known as the cosmetics. Before we start the cosmetic chapter, there is a long history behind it. In Egypt, castor oil was used as protective balm. Skin cream made of beeswax, olive oil, and rose water were described by Romans. Cosmetic use was frowned upon at many points in Western history. For example, in 19th century, Queen Victoria publicly declared makeup improper, vulgar, and acceptable only for use by the actors. During the 20th century, the population of cosmetics increased rapidly. Cosmetics are increasingly used by girls at young age, especially in the United States. Due to the fast decreasing age of makeup users, many companies from high street brands like Rimmel to higher end products like Estee Lauder, Castor to this expanding market by introducing flavored lipsticks and glosses. Cosmetics packaged in glittery, sparkly packaging and marketing and advertising using young models. So basically, the cosmetics use has been raised during the 20th century compared to the early centuries, and the younger generations are fond of the cosmetics, and the magic of cosmetics is not far away from them. Safety. Cosmetic companies successfully resist regulation by government agencies like the FDA and have also lobbied against this regulation throughout the years. The Food Drugs Administration and US FDA make a list of the ingredient that has to be suitable, that should not have any kind of a harmful toxicological effect in the body. Makeup types. The cosmetic includes skincare creams, lotion, powders, perfumes, lipstick, fingernail and toenail polish, eye and facial makeup. There are different type of other cosmetics like permanent waves, colored contact lenses, hair colors, hairspray and gels, deodorants, hand sanitizer, baby product, bath oils, bubble bath, bath salts, butters and many other type of products are coming under the cosmetics category. There are different other skincare products like cleansers, facial masks, toner, moisturizer, sunscreen, tanning oils and lotion, skin lengtheners, serums and exfoliants are also used. Basing upon the type of skin, the cosmetic has to vary from person to person. So there are special type of skins according to the cosmetics that may be normal skin. That means this type of skin has a fine, even and smooth surface due to its ideal balance between oil and moisture content and is therefore neither greasy nor dry. The second type of skin is dry skin. Dry skin has a parched appearance and tend to flake easily. It is prone to wrinkles and lines due to its inability to retain moisture, as well as an inadequate production of sebum by sebaceous gland. Generally, the sebaceous glands, whenever they are unable to make the more oil to be generate on the skin surface, and that make it scaly and feel it to dry. Oily skins, generally we can see it is named as the impiles. This type of skin surface is slightly to moderately greasy, which is caused by the oversection of sebum. There are different combination of skin. This is the most type of common type of skin. As the name suggests, it is combination of both oily and dry or normal skin, where certain areas of the face are oily and others are dry. The another type of is the sensitive skin. That means sensitive skin has a tendency to react to many potential triggers with irritation, redness, stinging or burning, flaking, lumpiness and rashes. There are different type of tooth care preparations. Those are tooth care preparations are the preparation meant to be applied to the teeth with a toothbrush for the purpose of cleansing the accessible surface of the teeth. Tooth cares are used for the different cases like cleansing of tooth, polishing of tooth, removal of stains from the teeth, reduce incidence of the decay, reduction of mouth odor, reduction of periodontal diseases like the disease of the gum, prevention of formation or removal of dental plaque, prevention of formulation of calculus. Toothpaste or the tooth powder should have the following qualities. That means they should be economical, it should be non-toxic in nature, it should be properly sweetened and flavored, it should give fresh and clean sensation, it should be efficient in removing food substances, plaques and other foreign particles. It should clean the teeth. The another type of cosmetic product that is known as a shampoo. These are defined as the preparation containing surface active agent which are used to remove the dirt, grease and debris from the hair, scalp and other part of the body without affecting the natural gloss of hair. Shampoo also help to keep the hair fragrant, soft and manageable. In majority of the cases, shampoos are water soluble, solution or suspension prepared by dissolving cleansing agent in suitable liquid to which other agents are added. To improve the function of the shampoo, the majority of modern shampoos are prepared by using synthetic detergents. Qualities of an ideal shampoo. It should be capable of removing grease, dirt and skin debris from the hair and scalp. It should be non-toxic in nature. It should be non-irritant in nature. It should provide sufficient fragrance to the hair after its use. It should be effective in small amounts. It should get easy removed by washing with water. It should produce sufficient foam both in hard and soft water. It reduces the fluffiness and smoothness the hair shafts. It makes the hair soft and shiny. The another and the most popular product, that is the lipstick, is the most widely used cosmetics by women to give an attractive color and appearance to the lips. Lipsticks can change the apparent facial characteristic of women. These are usually manufactured as molded sticks and consist of coloring pigment dissolved or dispersed in a fatty base consisting of a suitable blend of oils, fats and waxes suitably perfumed. There are different qualities of ideal lipsticks that must be non-irritant, non-toxic, should be stable in form of physical and chemical stability. It should not dry on storage. It should be free from gritty particles. It should maintain the lip color for long period after its application. It should be easily applicable and removable after its application. It should not break during use. It should give shiny and smooth appearance. It should be free from sweating. Another type of product is the cold cream. Cold cream is an emulsion which when applied on the skin give the cooling effect. This is one type of emulsion. In olden days, cold cream was prepared from the animal fat and the vegetable oil. Vegetable oils have the tendency to become rancid. They are replaced by mineral oil which give more stable product. Cold creams are oil in water type of emulsion, but after application on the skin, sufficient water evaporates to permit phase inversion to oil in water type of water in oil type of emulsion. Vanishing cream, the name itself indicate which will vanish immediately after the application on the skin. These are oil in water type of emulsion which when applied to the skin leave the almost invisible layer on it. Hence they are called vanishing cream. These creams can be quickly washed up with water due to presence of oil in water type of emulsifiers. Vanishing creams are prepared by emulsification of stearic acid and water by means of alkaline such as sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, borax, triethylamine. The main ingredient in vanishing cream is stearic acid, which give a partly white shining appearance to the cream, which on application give a thin white film of free stearic acid. Another type, it is also known as the main cream, that is the shaving cream. It is generally formulated as heavy concentrated soap solution in glycerin and water. The soap is formed by saponification of fatty acid, fixed oils with alkalis. Glycerin is included in the formula as the humectant. Humectant are the substances which will retain the moisture. A suitable preservative and the perfume may added according to the need in order to prevent the microbial growth and the good smell. Quality of good shaving creams are that should be non-toxic, non-irritant, must be smooth, soft and entirely free from lumps. It should have good wetting properties, it should be economical, it should retain a satisfactory consistency according to the temperature. Other products is the face care. These are used to cleansing, refreshing and the nourishing effect. They are available in form of solid, liquid and semi-solid. The various type of facial cosmetics are available in market to preserve the health and that suppleness of facial skin. They prevent premature aging of skin and improve the overall looks and the personality. The following are some face cares like face powder, cream, etc. Other type of cosmetics are hair dressing, hair dyes. The main purpose of hair dressing is to apply a thin film of oil to keep the hair in order to give the natural looking gloss without any appearance of oiliness. The another is known as the hair dye. These are generally used to make the color white hair to grey, or sometime in the fancy mode it can be given the different color to the hair that will retain the color in the hair. It will make great appearance and it will restore a youthful appearance. So today we discussed about some important uh, parameters of the cosmetics. Next class we will come with the second part. Thank you.